The final stage of the process is called Do It. And the aim of this phase is to build and scale up your prototype. We're at the final phase of the process, and by this point you'll have conducted a piece of user research, defined the challenge, and have a working prototype. A working prototype could be in the form of a wireframe website, for example. During the previous phase, you'll have mocked up how the website will look and feel, and importantly, you'll have tested the functionality with young people. But you won't have yet built the website, and this is what the Do It phase is for. You're now building and scaling up your ideas. And there are many different ways to do this, and it all depends on the specific project you're working on. During this phase, you'll need to consider allocating resources, upskilling your team, and establishing a process for monitoring and evaluation. Going back to the example we shared during the previous presentations, how might we ensure young people remember their appointment time? And the solution we came up with was to text young people their appointment details at the time of booking and send them a text reminder the day before. During the develop stage, you may have been testing this idea by manually texting young people. You'll have also done some research into automated appointment booking systems. Now it's time to scale up this idea. So here is where you'll implement the appointment booking system. Young people will automatically be sent text reminders at the point of booking and the day before. You'll need to train staff on how to use the new system. You'll need to integrate this booking system into your website. And you'll need to gain feedback from young people and staff on the usability of the new system. So as you can see here, the idea is moving from prototype into implementation. The Do It phase is a continuous cycle. Implementing the solution is just the first step. And from here, you'll need to continue to make it more streamlined, add additional features, and continually develop it. It's an iterative process of prototyping, testing, learning, and refining. You'll continually learn, develop, and make adjustments to your product or service to ensure it continues to meet the needs of young people.